Welcome to our presentation on the application of virtual reality and artificial intelligence in the brownfield policies and urban design. We chose Burel Village, a dense urban settlement in Sector 45, Chandigarh, as our case study. This project explores how advanced digital tools, VR, and AI can enable more effective, inclusive, and adaptive planning strategies for urban villages like Burel that are undergoing rapid yet unorganized transformations. Chandigarh University, a NAC A++ accredited private university in Punjab, offers industry-oriented and globally connected programs across various disciplines. Its University Institute of Architecture provides Bachelor's in Architecture and Master's in Architecture degrees, blending creative design with technological and sustainable solutions. It's in this spirit that a study of Burel village harnesses VR and AI not just as design tools but as lenses to reimagine and revitalize our urban spaces. This initiative is powered by a dedicated team of 10 students and 3 faculty members who combine traditional research methods with innovative technology driven analysis. Our methodology begins with conventional mapping and data collection, complemented by AI powered data analytics and VR based scenario modeling. These tools gave us predictive insights into population trends, land use changes, and infrastructure needs, essential for crafting effective policy interventions in Burel's unique context. Using VR, we created immersive walkthroughs of Burel's dense streets and heritage nodes, which you guys can also experience with the help of this mentioned QR code. Our journey today will unfold in upcoming slides, exploring Burel's introduction, social and physical infrastructure, architectural features, and finally, how AI and VR can shape innovative solutions. Burel is a 1.5 square kilometer urban village with deep historical roots dating back to the Mughal era. It has gradually merged into the urban fabric of Chandigarh but still retains elements of rural morphology. This dual identity makes Burel a classic brownfield site and existing urban area with potential for sustainable redevelopment. This slide introduces the development of Chandigarh city within the three phases, along with a map of city allocating the sectorial villages within the capital. It illustrates the evolution of Burel from an agrarian village to a congested urban pockets by highlighting the important events within the past. Burel has a climate that's hot and humid in summers with 42 degrees Celsius temperature at its maximum, while 5 degrees Celsius temperature at its minimum during winters. Burel has over 8,000 residents, and the demographic snapshot in the slide reveals a young, growing population with a literacy rate of nearly 90%. Social infrastructure in Burel is under immense pressure due to uncontrolled vertical expansion and high in migration. Its challenges are rooted in unregulated densification like narrow lanes, informal construction, and infrastructure under strain. These unplanned growth has led to slum-like conditions in some areas within the Burel. This slide includes the land use plan of Burel. Social infrastructure in Burel includes healthcare, education, and mixed use spaces. AI tools enabled us to track how residential and commercial functions overlap, leading to encroachments and land use conflicts. With VR and D5 render software, we created visualizations of proposed public spaces like pocket parks and community centers, integrating them seamlessly into the existing fabric, enhancing both usability and aesthetics. This slide defines the open build-up relation in the Burrell, with the base map highlighting Burrell's open spaces and narrow street network. Burrell's base map reveals irregular street widths and mixed land use patterns. With VR simulations, traffic flow, pedestrian stress points, and choke zones can be recreated, allowing stakeholders to experience firsthand how these constraints affect daily life and how redesigns could solve them. This slide highlights the streetscaping and mobility in Hurrell, which is chaotic due to unplanned parking and the absence of dedicated pedestrian pathways. Streetscaping here shows the potential for green corridors and better pedestrian spaces. Burell's cultural landmarks are the heart of its identity. VR heritage tours can boost tourism and local pride, embedding Burell's rich history within modern policy frameworks. This introduces Burell's physical infrastructure, highlighting both the potential and the gaps. Today's physical infrastructure is struggling to meet the growing demands. The sewerage system in Burel, through integrated into Chandigarh's network, suffers from aging infrastructure, while Burel's natural slope aids stormwater management, but unplanned growth creates local flooding risks. Solid waste is collected daily, but encroachment and illegal dumping persist. VR experiences can visualize new waste management facilities, making these tangible for residents and stakeholders. Crisscrossing electrical cables create safety and reliability concerns. AI asset management tools can map and monitor these networks. Purell enjoys good network service, a vital asset for digital policy implementation. Water supply in Burel comes from Sector 32's works, but quality issues arise during the rainy season. Burel faces the lack of parking and street encroachment, which hinder both pedestrian and vehicular movement. Also, there are only four public toilets existing on the village periphery. Burel lacks fire hydrant systems, posing a grave risk. AI emergency response modeling can identify the best location for hydrants and optimize vehicle movement paths. Street lighting in Burel is robust on the periphery but limited within the village core. The stormwater system in Burel, though, has efficient drainage network but lacks in the capacity variability. This slide includes the map illustrating the Burel water supply line network along with the process of Chandigarh water supply augmentation. This slide illustrates the Burel sewerage line network from west to east with primary treatment capacity of 15 million gallons per day and tertiary treatment capacity of 10 million gallons per day. Burel's electricity and telecommunication network lines are directed from Chandigarh administration and Punjab State Electricity Board transition. Burel's built form reflects a transition from rural vernacular to unregulated urban sprawl. To preserve architectural character while modernizing the space, AI can be used to classify building types, elevations, and facade elements. This transition from a traditional agrarian settlement to a dense urban cluster highlights the tension between the history and the modernity. The vertical expansion in Burrell's built environment shown in this slide reflects population pressure and lack of planning controls. This slide defines the typology of houses based on the traditional, transitional, and contemporary factors. Edge analysis reveals critical vulnerabilities in Borel's built environment as the edge conditions are weak with undefined transition between public and private spaces. This slide anchors our transformation strategy, a data informed, technology driven policy proposal that respects Borel's heritage while ushering it into a smarter, greener future. Here, AI and VR are not just tools, they are co creators in this journey. Along with site visits, we had the brainstorming sessions with the team based on data analysis and design explorations, which helped us to provide interventions ranging from street hierarchy reforms to microgreen spaces. These are the identified problems within the Burel village. Narrow, congested roads block emergency vehicles, posing serious policy challenges. Along with Burel's core problems, congestion, inadequate green spaces, and conflicting land uses, call for targeted, adaptive policies. AI problem mapping can continuously update these challenges, while VR visual storytelling ensures policies resonate with those most affected. Based on our findings, we proposed solutions such as establishing clear street hierarchies, multi level parking nodes, and dedicated emergency lanes. These solutions are a blend of AI's precision with VR's immersive testing. This combination ensures that these aren't just theoretical, they are practical and designed for long term sustainability. Our vision for Bure is one where tradition meets technology, where AI supports data driven decisions and VR enables participatory planning. We applied AI to scan underutilized land pockets that could be converted into microparks or buffer zones. With VR, we created 360-degree immersive proposals for these green corridors, showing how even small interventions could enhance livability, improve air quality, and create social hubs without major land acquisition. The impact of these tools was transformative. AI brings clarity to complex urban dynamics, while VR ensures people can see, feel, and respond to proposed challenges. Our first proposal redesigns streetscapes for safety and vibrancy. AI traffic flow models fine tune these designs for real world effectiveness. While VR and DeFi render based pedestrian experiences showcase how these redesigned streets would feel in daily life, making policy adoption smoother. Second proposal, Community Center. This community center in Jungar is envisioned as a vibrant hub for the people of Burel. It's designed to cater to a wide range of needs, hosting cultural festivals, wedding events, and wellness programs that strengthen community ties and promote social well-being. VR technology take this vision even further by creating immersive previews of the center's daily life. Third proposal, Skill Development Center. This skill development center, strategically located near Gurdwara Shahidi Killa Sahib, is designed to be a catalyst for Burel's social and economic revitalization. It's more than just a place to learn new skills. It's a place where aspirations can be nurtured and community pride can grow. VR walkthroughs bring these possibilities to life. They let residents step into these future ready spaces virtually, imagining themselves learning, collaborating, and even starting small business. To conclude, we would like to thank the University Institute of Architecture, Chandigarh University, for providing the platform, and Professor Amar Singh Solanki for his vision and commitment for developing this work. Thank you for exploring Burel's transformation journey with us. Our proposals, grounded in AI's analytical precision and VR's immersive power, together form a blueprint not just for Burel but for urban villages all over India. To truly understand the present conditions and context of Burel, we invite you to experience the village firsthand through our VR 360-degree site visit video. Simply scan the QR code displayed on the screen to take a virtual walkthrough of Borel streets and spaces.
This is street number 11, which is leading to the fort. See, forget about the camera. You just have to see your street, surrounding, and walk normally. This would be how much? What would the width of this street? 4 or 5 meters? Hmm? Regular access to Shri Lanka. Ground first, second.
₹150 मिलेंगे। इसके अलावा टूटे फूटे मोबाइल भी खरीदे जाते हैं। आप अपना कोई भी पुराना टूटा फूटा मोबाइल बेच सकते हैं।
Yeah, we have to go straight. Come there. कैसे दिए किलो? 160 किलो लेना किलो। This is known as 11 number gully, street number 11, which leads to the fort. Okay, now we have come to the location. This is the top part, the ridge part of the mountain initially. So initially there was this fort. You can see the ruins of the fort, right? And the settlement around the fort. This is again a community center over here, which is used for public functions and amenities. Where रुकना है एक मिनट? You can see the conditions of this drainage system over here. Yeah. So while using this, be aware of the corridors. Near the Charminar, there was a building, 150-year-old building. There was a marriage function out of 55 family members, and 3 survived because they decided to go to right. Now, capture some.
We can see the Nanak Shahi bricks. This was the oldest fort. The normal house of the residents. These are some of the paid rental houses. This is the Gurdwara, which is situated in the center of Burel village. This is the Shri Akal Takht Sahib. This is the first floor. You can see the street view, which is adjoining the Gurdwara. And this is the front of
This is how a community lives in a sort of a small housing. So you can see the kind of courtyard or skylight they have developed. And there must be more than 20 small plants over here. They have a common toilet facility and dwelling units.
हाँ जी,
रामलीला ग्राउंड भी यही है।
नहीं फिर अलग है। हमने जो प्लान पे यूज़ किया ना, वो भी हमने अलग अलग साइट्स लिए हैं। दिस इज आवर कम्युनिटी सेंटर।
We are heading towards another open space, empty space that people is looking for this festival. And is Ramlila ground. So we are now on edge of the village, which is known as Lalgora. So ये manholes, the central ये सारे manholes, river line.